So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Hitachi Inverter AC and the remote of that AC looks something like this, or the model is RAS G322PCAISF, and the remote of your AC is not working properly, or the remote is damaged and you have to use your AC from mobile in emergency, then today I am going to tell you how you can use AC from mobile very easily. So let's start the video. Before using AC from mobile, keep in mind that if you have Xiaomi Redmi phone or your phone supports IR Blaster, then only you can use AC from your mobile, that too without Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can use your AC offline anytime. So friends, first of all open the Play Store in your mobile. After opening the Play Store, search for Mi Remote. Install the Mi Remote. The Mi Remote has been installed. Now agree to all the terms and conditions of the Mi Remote. Now touch Add Remote. After that, the main page of the Mi Remote app will open. In the main page, go to the AC symbol. Now make sure that you turn on the main supply of your AC. And now search and find Hitachi. Now go to Hitachi and now use the mobile in the same way as you use the remote of the AC. And now you can see in the screen of mobile, checking available configuration 1 to 7. Now you can see green color power button in mobile. Now press this power button. If your AC is making beep sound after pressing power button, does device respond? Then you have to press yes. And if your AC is not making beep sound, then you have to press no. After that, second remote will come. If your AC is not getting connected, then press no and continue this process. And you have to keep pressing no till your AC is not making beep sound. Now if my AC is making beep sound for the first time, then now I will touch yes. After that, press the power button again. Now you can see on the screen, has the device turned off, so say yes. Now on the next page, touch the right symbol. After that, your AC remote will be completely made. You can easily use almost all the functions of AC in emergency. Believe me that I have done a good practical before making this video. I am uploading this video only when I am successful in this video. I hope you have understood the information given by me, so please like my video.